Well, I just left the court here, heading back to my vehicle. And it didn't disappoint. It screwed up the Court of Appeals docket. It screwed up the District Court docket. And, everything seems to start in December 2025. But I did find out that when I went to the Court of Appeals, there's one that says it's like 281,000 pages of filings related to my case in the U.S. Court of Appeals. I would say that's notice for anybody that what's going on. And the papers that I filed today are clear and convincing evidence that my home is still encumbered, my legal rights and remedies are still at risk. My family's, the way the language says it can go after my children, my grandchildren, anybody. They wrote this, that they can pursue that illegal lien against me forever, and then again against my family and my heirs. You know, they've already stolen my inheritance, stolen my business, stolen my livelihood, never given me the jury trials I requested, never allowed me to appear in a court of any federal court to appear in person. As they just keep stealing my rights and liberties of that and my family, because I had the gall and the audacity to stand up when they brought in a phony judge in 1994 to sit in a bankruptcy court in Greenbelt, Maryland. They brought him in from Prince George's County Circuit Court. He didn't even have an oath of office. He was not a federal employee. And he gifted away my and my partner's $2 million roller skating rink on a phony contract for allegedly $5 and the assumption in debt of that alleged partnership, which I refused to sign because I knew it was a fraud and I would not be part of it. But they don't care. The judges in this country don't care. We're going to steal everything that we can possibly steal from. We're only going to protect our lawyers and our fellow black robe bandits. And we're going to steal everything we can from the citizens of this United States under color of law and authority. So I'm heading over to the Court of Federal Claims now. And what does that building stand for up there if not for truth and justice? And look up there. There's the biggest criminal in the United States, Donald John Trump. The biggest criminal in the United States. He's violated more court rules than any human being could possibly violate. And he's using our tax money to steal, rape, rob, and pillage our nation's assets. So he wants to be number one in that number 300. The 300 who want to control the world. I've got news for you, buddy. Your day is coming. What you've done to this country is beyond reprehensible. And that I'm going to do everything I can to hold you and your lawyer buddies accountable. You can't stand by and let it happen anymore, folks. So I'll pick this up when I get to the Court of Appeal, Court of Federal Claims. Everyone have a good day.